Epson expands its Workforce Pro HC business print lineup with 2 new A4 devices with replaceable ink pack systems. Planned implementation of MPS can help in cutting costs and enhancing efficiency, security, and sustainability. Indigo prints shifts factory and warehouse to new state-of-the-art facilities in Bhiwandi, plans to expand product portfolio. Zhono ensures strict quality control in production center. Quocirca reports rising concerns over print security. Newly designed patented ink packs for Epson add color vibrancy and GG. 10 print launches. Reman supplies for HP, Samsung and Xerox. Konica Minolta's Pravah to sustainably irrigate rural Uttar Pradesh with NGO Manav Vikas Sanstha. The evolution of laser printers, from the laser beam innovation to AI and Wi-Fi integration. Solution to the prompt toner low replacement not yet needed after installing a new toner cartridge on Canon copiers. Zhono. For more information please visit www.imagingsolution.in.